हाय गाइस, सो आज हम लोग एक ब्लर बैकग्राउंड पेंटिंग ट्राई करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो सबसे पहले इसका बेस तैयार कर लिया जाए एंड द कलर्स आई एम यूजिंग फॉर दिस आर सैप ग्रीन, परमानेंट येलो, टाइटेनियम वाइट एंड ब्लैक, and we will just randomly paint it on this paper, and if you have a reference photo you can do it accordingly. So for the blur effect, I am going to paint the circles of the same color on this paper. And by the way, I am using painting paper for this painting. I usually use canvas, but I think for trying out new techniques, paper is a good surface to paint on. After this, I am going to paint stems and leaves. As you can see, blur background effect आ गया है, and there are many techniques for making blur background, but this one is the most common one. And if you are trying to make blur background for the first time, I suggest you use this technique only. And that's it. This is how it turned out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.